Run now! Stop!
What am here? No, she didn't go that far. Now, go. Oh, that girl runs very fast. Hi. Let's go.
Chimo! Funaya! Why did you run in like someone that death is chasing? Funaya, I know you can hear me. Come out here! Come out here before I curse you! Why are you running like someone dead is chasing?
Yes, that thief! Where is she?
Okay.
Mama, we are very sorry for bashing into your compound without permission. But where is Funanya? She's a thief. She stole our bead.
Yes. She stole your bead.
She stole our bead. Where is she?
Please, just calm down. Go. Funaya! Will you come out here before I curse the ground to step on? Come out here!
My friend, will you come out of there?
Come here.
Look at the thief. Where is the bead? Where is the bead?
What did you say?
Where is the bead? Come on, give me. Look at it. Thief. Mama Funanya, the hen that scratches too close to the palace will one day answer the king. Warn your daughter. Warn Funanya. Warn her because the staff of judgment would one day meet her neck. Yes. Be careful.
When the yam misses the knife, will it miss the fire? Funaya, what have I done to you? What have I done to you?
Funaya, how many times will a toad fall into a hot pot before it learns that it is hot? Do you want to kill me before my time? Everywhere I go, everywhere, your name follows me like a shadow of disgrace. I go to the market, they laugh at me. I go to the stream, they whisper. My ears are full of mockery because of you. Do you want to kill me?
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Esioko, I don't know when I do these things. I don't know why my hands keep taking things that do not belong to me.
Spare me that tale. A child that steals palm fruit and says the palm tree pushes his hand to steal it is a liar. Funaya, do you think the king will listen to any of these excuses when you are dragged before him? Eh?
No. The truth is, I feel like there's something bigger than me that controls me. I don't know why I keep taking things that are not mine, even when we have those things in this hut. Yeah, I'm sorry.
The goat that does not heed to the call of its owner follows the rope to the slaughterhouse.
Okoro, I'm sorry.
What sin have I committed? What sin did I commit that the gods chose to give me a hand that steals instead of the one that blesses? Onye ka mejolo, onye mejolo, bayalomo. I'm
sorry. Stop crying. You're breaking my heart. I promise I will not do it again. Biko, I will not do it again. I beg you, Biko. No. Biko, forgive me, please.
This is too much for me to bear.
I will not do it again.
The disgrace is too much.
I will not do it again, Biko, forgive me.
Shut up. Confirm. Whose goat is this? Hey. Did I buy goats in my dream?
Okay.
How back?
Oh, is there him? How are you?
Ibako, you're welcome.
I thought as much. So this is where my goat wandered to.
Ekunia, your goat.
Yes.
Hi.
This goat chewing here is my goat. It's my goat. Oh, one.
Hey, Fumna.
Where's your daughter?
Come on.
Fumna! Fumna, come out and first strangle you. Come out!
Oh no, Fumna. Whose goat is that?
Talk now!
No, Bako's goat.
What is it doing in my compound?
I'm sorry.
Hi.
You're sorry.
Funaya.
So if Funaya, yesterday I stopped you from stealing a fowl. And today, you decided to steal my goat, Okwea. Have you no shame?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Eh?
Ubako, please, just forgive her. Oh, Biko. Just take your goat and go in peace. If anybody will come here and shout, not you, now you know you are my friend.
Also, you're my friend.
I've had enough shame on my head, please.
Listen to me, child. You're a beautiful maiden. You have to change from this stealing attitude of yours. If not, no man will marry you. Because any woman that steals does not build a home. Do you hear?
So, Biko. Just take your goat and go in peace, Biko. Biko.
Ogbonnaya, what did I do to you? My goats.
I'm sorry. I will not do it again. I promise you by the gods, I will not do it again.
Nam. Listen.
My beautiful daughter, my pride. How are you faring today?
The gods have been so good to me.
That is good. Come. This is not ordinary jewelry like it looks. This is symbol of authority. This is a royal ornament. Any man you give it to automatically becomes a prince and heir apparent to the throne. Handle it with care.
I will, Nam. I promise you. I'll guide it with my life. Thank you so much, Nam. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Yes, very beautiful. But beauty without wisdom is very fragile. If that ornament gets lost, there might be trouble.
There'll be no problem. Let me show my mates. Greetings, Nam.
That's my daughter.
Obina.
Obieze, you always look beautiful.
Thank you.
Obieze, this bead is beautiful.
Don't touch it. Thank you.
Why?
It's not an ordinary bead that you should play with. My father said it's a symbol of authority.
Okay.
And whoever I give it to becomes the crown prince.
Tell me, Obieze, don't you love me to give me the bead and make me the chosen one?
Obina, you know our hearts beat together. But things like this work with time and season. When the gods permit.
But you can just end everything and make me the chosen one by giving me the bead right now as a gift.
Patience is virtue. I will give you when the time is right. What about the bushmeat?
Oh, the bushmeat. I was supposed to bring it, but I wanted them to be plenty before bringing it. And I would also bring you the palm wine, the fresh one.
Okay, I have to go now before my father will start.
This is what I came to see you.
I'll see you later. Be good.
Obieze.
Biko, here. There is fire on the mountain. Hey, my fingers.
Ndo, what happened to her? I met the rainy bruise on her. Thank God I was passing by. They would have beaten her to death.
What was our offense this time?
They said she stole a man's inner wrapper. Peteri.
What? Hey! Funanya, you stole a man's inner wrapper. Funanya, can you eat a man? What do you want to use it for? Do you want to wear it? Or you want to sell it? Or you want to hang it on my head in shape, Funanya? Funanya, can you hear me? Is this disgrace not too much? Is this disgrace not too much? This disgrace is too much. Why do you want to bury me in shame before my time? You want to bury me in shame before my time, Funanya? Can you hear Maggie? Can you hear Maggie? Hi.
Just
Can you hear Maggie?
calm down.
Can you hear me?
See, you have to find solution to this problem. Eh? Let's go and know the cause of what is eating her up.
Okay.
It's not ordinary.
It's not ordinary.
It's not ordinary now.
It's not ordinary.
Every day she must eat one thing. Every day by day she must eat. Oh, Baraka. Can you try to amen?
You didn't say anything else to steal.
It's your emotion.
Better walker. Better walker.
Hey. Oh, but it does not land.
The beautiful flower in the land. Hi! You see, the sun, they rise and hide in shame each time you pass. Hi! Funaya, do you know that the gods took their time in carving a beauty like you?
Arrange or whatever you call yourself. I have warned you before, and I'm going to warn you again. I am not interested. Go and sing these praises to the birds.
Not interested? You should thank the gods that someone like me is asking you out. Do you know how many maidens that come flocking, telling me they want me to marry them? And I chose you. Do you? Funaya, listen and listen good. Whether you like it or not, you must form Nanya. Look at you. Which man would even look your way? You, a thief. I'm coming your way instead of you to accept me. Susuano.
How are you?
I'm fine. Olwama.
Hello, MM. Hello, MM. Hey! Where is my yam that I kept here? Eh? Who took my yam? Okay. Hey! Who took my yam that I kept here now? Look at my yam. Eh? Some person for Kosiaji. Another person will come and harvest it. For what? Whose sweat are you hiding? Whose farm did you raid? I said who?
It's Masio Kafos. Yeah.
Masio Kafos? Give it to me. Give it to me. Let me return it to him. Eh? And I promise I will not tell any soul.
You return them to him and you won't tell him. No. Hey.
Hmm?
The gods bless you. You too. I don't know when I do these things. It's not like I want to do them, but I just see myself doing it. Eh?
I understand.
May the gods cover your shame as you have chosen to cover mine.
It's on you too.
Dalu, oh. Deme.
Help you adjust this. Mercy. Ahudina mercy.
Obina. Tell me, why are you still after the princess when you have me? Or is it that you love the princess more than the way you love me?
No, why will you say such a thing? It is you my heart desire, not the princess. You see, the princess is just a ladder for me to get to the throne. And once I get there, and I'm crowned a king, you will be my queen.
Do you mean what you just said? Like, you'll make me your queen?
Mercy, have I ever lied to you before? Have I? Okay. As soon as the crown is placed on my head as the king, you will wear the coral bead.
Funanya. Funanya.
Funanya, come here.
All these things here are not ours. Who owns them? Talk before the sky fall on your head!
This wrapper belongs to Mama Nneka. The beads belongs to Nkoli. The corn, I got it from Maazio Okafor's farm. And the pawpaw is from Onyeka's compound.
Corn! Ifunanya, your hands have turned to a marketplace of other people's property. Wrapper? Njanja wrapper. Beads. Look at the one you're wearing. Can you compare it to this one? Look at what you took. Pawpaw. Is it pawpaw we don't have in this house? Corn. Is it corn I cannot provide for you? Ifunanya, what spirit has entered into you? That the only thing you do is to drag my name in the mud. You only bring disgrace and shame to this house. Ifunanya, why? Why? Because Yano, stop taking people's things before the earth swallows us. Biko. That is the same song you sing while your hand dances in people's bands. I am tired of all this now. I'm tired of this shame and disgrace. If Naya, please stop now because Yano. Can't say Funaga and Naya because Yano. Stop stealing. Stop taking people's things if Naya Biko. Biko. Because Yano. Oka. Is it corn that I cannot provide for you or Popo? Is it? Look at the beads you're wearing. Can you compare it to this one you went to bring home? And by the way, that hoe does not look like what belongs to us. Who owns it? Who owns it? Talk before I break your head!
Maazio catches.
kind of nonsense is this? Another person will come and harvest my yam. Eh? Funaya, come. Bia. Funaya, my ears are restless. Did you by any chance take the yams that I kept in my farm? Answer me! Look, you may be a thief, but I know that you are definitely not a liar. So tell me the truth. Did you take the yams I kept in my farm?
Okay, I took them.
Hey!
Nine, please don't scream so people don't hear. I took them, but Obieze collected them and said he was going to bring them back to you. Nine, please forgive me. I don't know when I do these things. Nine, Machi, I will not try it again. I promise you, Nine, I will not touch it. I will not touch anybody's thing. Take it. Biko, Nine, ayo, come now, Biko. It will not happen again. It will not happen again, I promise you. Biko, Nine.
It's okay. You can go.
Just like that.
You can go.
Hey, Nalu. May the gods bless you, Nine.
But don't try it next time.
I will not do it again.
Don't repeat it again.
I will never touch anybody's thing.
Don't try it next time.
Yes, Nine, I promise. I will not do it again. I promise.
You can go.
Nalu, may the gods bless you.
So Obieze took my yam. Obieze collected my yam. No problem. But let him not forget that the day the rat plays with the fire, he will definitely roast with the pot. So bad. No. Obieze! Obinna, where is your brother Obieze? Where is he? Nanya, come here. Yaleba! Don't smile with me. Obieze, go inside and bring out my yam. Here.
Which yam are you talking about?
Obieze, the yam you took from Funaya after she stole it from my farm. Don't get me angry. Bring out my yam.
Look, if Funaya stole your yam, why come here? Don't you know her mother's hut? Why come here? Why come here?
Obieze, do not play with me. Do not play with me. Funaya may be a thief, but she's never a liar. Let me finish. Let me finish. If she says you took it, then you took it.
See, Mazi Okafo, if Funanya is a thief, she can equally be a liar. Bam! Funanya's mouth is slippery just the way her hand is. If Funanya stole your yam, then she must be lying. She gave it to Obieze.
See, I know what Obize's stomach is capable of doing. Funaya's hand may steal, but the mouth who swallowed my yam is his own.
No, you cannot tell us that. We cannot do this.
No, you must bring us my yam.
No.
You must bring us my yam. I will show you what
Obieze, how many times did I call you?
I've forgotten.
Oh, Obieze, tell me the truth. You know I know you. Did you take any yam from Funanya? Che, don't tell me the yam we ate today is the same yam you were talking about. Yeah, Obieze, I'm talking to you. Come on, answer me.
Kenyo, when you were dragging the yam with me, even fighting me, did it not come to your mind that it was a stolen yam?
Hey, but I was hungry. Why didn't you tell me that it's a stolen yam?
Did you allow me to tell you? You were running, dragging. We are running around this compound. Did you allow me to tell you?
Don't bring problem to me in this hut. Don't bring problem to me in this hut.
You are not shouting at me. So bad. You see the remaining yam. I am going to roast it. And if I roast it, if you come with your longer, if you come with your long throats, what I will do to you?
Is the yam remaining?
Hey now, what for?
Okay, what for? Go and roast it. I'm hungry. Go and roast the remaining. My
Stolen
brother,
yam.
go and roast it. We've won the battle. Go and roast it.
Stolen yam.
I am solidly behind you.
Ah.
I am solidly. Go and roast it.
Chimo! My papa! Who took my papa? Thief! Who took my papa? Chimo! Who took my papa? Thief! Thief!
Funaya! Funaya, what are you hiding? And who did you steal from?
I did not steal. I picked it from that basket in front of that farm.
You picked it from that basket in front of that farm. Is it your own? Give it to me.
Why?
Give it! Give it to me.
Why?
Let me return it back to the owner.
Yeah, let's go together.
So that they will point fingers at you again. Funaya, have you forgotten what happened the last time? If not for me, they would have beaten you to your death. Now give it to me. Just give it to me. Funaya, what do you have to say about my words? I love you, and I will protect you. Funaya? 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 I will give another maiden.
Funaya. What are you hiding there? Huh? Is it also?
I did not steal.
Where did...
Hey, wait.
Where did you steal it from?
I did not steal them. I picked them from the ground, dear.
You picked them from the ground. If you did not steal it, why were you hiding it like a thief, hiding from a dog? Hmm?
I was only hiding because I thought you would not believe me.
You see, my child, you see the pit you have dug for yourself. Yeah? Even when you're saying the truth, no one will believe you. Because everything in your hand looks stolen. Well, just go home.
How will I see food to you today? Why? Why are tears flowing from your eyes like a river? Or did your hands fail to find something to steal today?
Why did you not return those yams that you collected from me? Why did you not return them back to Mazioka for?
Don't mind that fool, oh. Don't mind him. He is lying. Do not believe his tongue. Just like I will not believe yours.
Yes, the world might not believe me. I am a thief. Everybody knows that. But what they fail to know is that you are the coward behind me. So where did you come up suffer and steal something, you will collect it, you want to return it, you will not return it back. So where did you?
Look at this thief. Look at her. You are trying to wash your hands with clean water. Who would believe you? Who will believe you? I, Obieze, the noble youths. Who will believe you? Hey. Hi. So she didn't steal anything today. Hi. Today.
My daughter,
Nam.
what is happening? What are you still waiting for? Up to this moment, you've not brought any man or given any man the royal bid? Someone who will be heir apparent to this throne when I must have joined my ancestors? Or do you not find any man worthy in this our land?
No, far from that, Namo. My eyes are not blind and my heart is not empty. I am just taking my time so I don't make mistakes.
Oh, it's good to take your time, but there is no time to waste. My daughter, Obieze, you must present a man. I need a son. I need a son to be an heir apparent to this throne.
Soon. Because, Nam, in as much as I need a husband, I understand that he's going to be the heir apparent to the throne. So I'm taking my time so I don't make mistakes.
Tufiakwa. Yes, you need a husband, yes. But your husband can never be heir apparent to this throne. It is your son. Yes, your son. Your husband is not important, but your son is everything. Yes.
I hear you, Nam. I'll work towards that. And soon you carry your grandson.
I'm happy to hear that. Please.
I will, sir.
Yes, you need a husband, yes. But your husband can never be heir apparent to this throne. It is your son.
Ifunaya, do you lack anything? Do I not feed you well?
You do.
Then tell me, why do you take other people's things? Why do you take things that does not belong to you? Listen, if you need anything, Just ask me, I will give it to you. Biko. Stop taking other people's things. It is not good. If you continue like this, no man will ask for your hand in marriage. Or don't you want to get married?
I want to.
Or you don't want to give me grandchildren?
I want to.
Just when that urge comes, just kill it. Turn your face away or you run away. When you see other people's things and the urge comes, just resist it. Resist it. Turn your face away or you run away from it. Because the disgrace is becoming too much. See, if you need anything, I will give it to you. Because, eat. The pawpaw sweet. Sweet pepper. I actually got it from Ubaku's farm. Ours is not ripe yet. Biko,
Ifoma! Nchedo!
Yes, my princess.
Please come. I wanted to know what you think about Obinna.
Obinna. My princess, Obinna is a strong man. His shoulders are broad, his steps firm, and his heart. I think it's good.
And you?
Forgive me, my princess, but strength alone does not prove a man's heart. You must be careful. Test his words against his action. Then only you can truly know if he's worthy or not.
You really speak with wisdom. Thank you so much, Nchedo.
Thank you, my princess.
You can leave.
Obinna.
Mercy, what are you doing here?
I came to see you. I've missed you.
Oh, Mercy, coming here is not the best option. The princess might walk in and see us. She has been coming here unannounced lately.
I know, but I miss your touch. I just want you. Please, let's slip into your hearts just for a moment.
Okay, I missed you too, but you shouldn't have come. Okay, please, let's go. Let's be fast before they ruin it for us. Let's be fast before they ruin it.
What is going on here?
Arinze.
That plans has been ruined because so this is what you do. Sharing your body, princess's body with someone.
Arinze, you know you're my brother. You won't want him. Don't spoil anything for me, please. Please.
But what you are doing is
I know. Okay, what do you want me to do for you? What do you want? Please. What do you want? I don't understand.
Let me join in the phone.
Arinze, you are very stupid. What do you mean? What do you... Mercy. Arinze. Arinze. Arinze, you have the mind to do this to me.
Obinna, what did I do to you?
Arinze.
Obinna, I did nothing to you. See, listen, let me tell you something in case you've forgotten. Princess Obieze is your betrothed. Yet you hide in the shadows of another woman. Obinna, who are you deceiving? Why can I deceive you?
Arinze, so you have the mind to go into the pot your brother goes into. Just know from today, I will never forgive you. I will have this in mind till the day I drop dead.
Obinna. Hey! Hi, mana mmasị tọwara ntị. Hey! Obinna, ị na-emekwa enjoy. You are enjoying.
took my wrapper? I left it here. Who took my wrapper? Who took my wrapper here now? Is that maiden? Is it Funaya? I saw her coming to the stream. She's the one. Yes, she's the one that took my wrapper. Is it Funaya? I will go to her house. I'm going to her house.
When Funaya comes back from the stream, she'll come and make it for us to eat.
Can't wait to can't wait to eat. Oh, nice.
Very nice. Welcome.
No. Very nice. Beautiful girl.
Funaya, when you pour that water, you come and make this abacha for us to eat, oh?
Ne, where is it Funaya? Please call her.
What is it this time?
That shameless daughter of yours stole my wrapper at the stream.
You are a liar. Funaya just walked past here now with only a water pot on her head. There was no wrapper with her.
Are you sure she didn't hide it inside the pot? Maybe.
Funaya!
Funaya!
Come here and come with that water pot you just returned with you.
Funaya, come on.
Have you seen it? Is there any wrapper here? There is nothing there. Listen, it is not because sometimes my daughter steals that anything that gets missing in this village, you put it on her head. And today should be the last time you call my daughter shameless.
Is your aim? You know your daughter don't lie. Maybe you ask her, Joya. Yeah, she will tell you the truth.
Funaya, did you take Akudo's wrapper?
Did you take it? Hi. So where is the wrapper?
Hey! I said it! Thief of this land! Thief!
Enough! Give me. Take your wrapper and go. Take your wrapper and go. Enough!
Thief!
You see, don't go away.
Shameless
Leave my
thief!
compound.
Shameless thief!
Leave my compound.
Thief!
Why?
Thief!
Why? It's okay. Just calm down. It's okay. Oh, abacha want your phone now. Abacha your phone. If I come and carry this pot.
Obieze.
Obina. Come back with that.
Obieze.
Please sit. You can go.
How have you been?
Fine, thank you.
Obieze, I want you to know that you are the only woman I see. There is no other in my life. Even the gods can testify that we are made for each other. In fact, I was made for you.
I am happy to hear that, Obina. But the beads, my father asked me to wait until the new moon before I can announce you as the crown prince.
It's nothing. I don't have a problem with it.
Thank
Knowing
you.
that your heart is for me gladdens me even more than the crown itself. I love you, Daisy.
I love you too.
Obina, Obina, wait.
What is it?
Obina, you just passed me without saying a word. Why?
Mas, I have nothing to do with you. Go and meet my brother. Not after what happened yesterday. See, Masi, I have nothing to do with you anymore.
Obina, wait. Obina, please. Say, please, I beg you. Whatsoever I did it for us. I did it for you. Everything I did because of you.
What nonsense are you talking about? Can you just listen to yourself? See, Masi, if you love yourself, don't disturb me again.
Obina, please. Obina, please. Obina! Obina! Obina!
Okane, you cannot continue like this. You have to seek for solution. This thing happening to Funaya is not ordinary.
Obaka, you think I don't know? I know. I have prayed and prayed. No answer. I have sought elders. But no one seems to know what is wrong with her. Nobody.
Listen to me. A real thief does not feel remorse the way she does. And a thief does not say the truth the way she does. There is something beyond our eyes can see. There's a man called Ikenu. He's a seer. He sees beyond the surface of the earth. He can help you unveil the mystery behind this problem. I will advise you take your daughter to him before it's too late.
Ikenu.
A very powerful seer.
If that is the only path left for me, I'll do it. I'll do it because of my daughter. This shame, the disgrace. Wako is too much.
Mercy, what are you doing here?
Obina, please. You can't do this to me. You know how much I love you. Please.
Love. Did you just say love? You love me yet you betrayed me?
I did.
You cheated on me. In front of me. With my own brother.
Obina, please. I'm sorry. I never meant to do that. I only did it because you said it was part of our plans. Whatever I did it for us. I did it because you begged me to do it. I never liked your brother. I am so sorry.
Oh, if I tell you to put your hand inside fire, you will do it. See, Mercy, please. Please, I don't want to hear anything. Just leave my house. Please. I don't want to push you. Mercy. Mercy. Mercy.
Arinze, are you happy now? You brought shame on me. You ruined me. May the gods judge you. May you not find peace, Arinze. I curse you.
Stop that nonsense. Stop wasting your time. Obina never loved you. He was using you. Using you while he waits for the princess.
No, do not say that. Obina loved me. He loves me. He said I was his only one. You are lying.
Love. Now let me ask you this. What manner of a man would share his woman with another man? If truly he loves you as you claim, he would have fought for you. He would have spoken with me as his brother. But what did he do? He pushed you. I only did this to open your eyes. Because Obina would have still dumped you. With or without this that happened. You were just a shadow in his game. Excuse me. Obina, what you are doing to Mercy is very bad. My brother, if you know you are done with this maiden, why don't you allow her go? Instead, you are trying to make everything look as if it is her fault, while you are the one who betrayed her.
Arinze, sometimes I wonder if you have nothing in your head. Do you realize I'm your elder brother? Or because of the nonsense you do, you feel you are older than I am now? What nonsense are you talking about? Oh, you expect after what happened the other day, I should still remain with her? Then you must be mad. You must be mad, Arinze. As a matter of fact, the princess is giving me the deed the next month. And I don't want to do anything or even found around Mercy. I told me put your name Ebe in Mercy. I want to be clean. She should go and bear the consequences of her choice. Please don't disturb me with anything that has to do with Mercy. Arinze, hope you know that I did not force her to do it. She willingly opened her legs for you, and you enjoyed every bit of her. Or did you not? You enjoyed it because I saw the looks on your face. So, Arinze, my brother, both of you fit each other. You can be with her, Burungongogi. I don't want any more. Nonsense.
I know I'm bad. But you see, Obina, you are evil. Hey! How did one woman give birth to two Eflefus? Two useless sons? No wonder she joined her ancestors early. Funaya, what happened? Who slapped you like the drum of a blind man? What did you steal this time?
I did not steal anything. I only tried to borrow.
Sorry.
I only tried to borrow Elo's and I'm machete so I can go and cut something for my mother. And then he landed me a big blow. I will say I'm not a thief. I did not try to steal. He still slapped me again.
Elo's did this to you because of a machete. If that man touched my woman, I will make him wish he was never born.
I'm not your woman. I'm not your woman. I've told you before.
That is exactly why he had to beat you. Because you walk alone and unclaimed. If you say you are my woman, no one dares to lay their hands on you. Maya, I will protect you. You will walk and take whatever thing you need. And no one will try to stop you.
I'll think about it.
Masim, what's all this nonsense?
Why are you following me about like a loose goat?
You never loved me, Obina. I was just a stand-in, a space holder, while you were waiting for the princess. I was such a fool. I was foolish all this while. Now that the princess has promised to give you the beat, you cast me aside like a used leaking pot.
Can you just listen to yourself? Can you listen to yourself and hear how stupid you sound? Oh yes, I told you to do it. But I was expecting you to say no or maybe run away. But you decided to do it! You decided to do it! Now look, you even spoiled my bait. How am I sure you're not looking for the opportunity to jump on my brother?
Insult me all you want. It's not your fault. I blame myself. I've been the stupid one, the foolish one, to believe you. No problem. I'll leave you alone. I'll go. But Obin, I promise you this. You will have a very bad life. You will have a very bad life, Obina.
Mercy, you will not cease to amaze me. See, as a matter of fact, my life is sweeter now without you. Stupid maiden.
Nam. Greetings.
That's my daughter.
I bring you good news.
Good news?
Yes, Nam.
Oh, I cannot wait to hear this good news.
I have found a man worthy of the royal beads.
Oh! This message gladdens my heart.
Thank you,
I'm
Nam.
so happy to hear this.
Thank you, Nam.
Hmm.
I'll give him tomorrow.
Well, once you give him the beats, bring him to your father. I want to look into the eyes of the man who will walk side by side with my daughter. The man who will bring forth the heir apparent to this throne. And I will present him to the Council of Elders.
Thank you so much, Nam.
Yes, thank you, my daughter. Finally, our kingdom, we know that there is an heir to the throne, the crown prince.
Gods of my mother's land, if there is justice in your hands, strike him down. Let him feel the pains he handed me. Let him drink from the cup of shame until it drowns him. No, I'm not beg. I will make him fall. He will regret the day he ever thought he could use a woman and leave her to rot.
Greetings, my princess. May the gods bless your path.
Please rise.
Thank you, my princess. My princess, please forgive me, but I can't keep silent any longer. It's about Obina.
What about him?
My princess, Obina does not love you. His heart is not yours. It is chained to the throne. I was with him before you, my princess, and he whispered and said, all he wants is the bead. Because whosoever has the bead shall be crowned prince. He used me, and when I no longer serve his plans, he cast me aside. My princess, you are pure and noble, but all he sees in you is your powers. Immediately he secures the throne, you will see his real face. I beg you, my princess. I want you to be wise, please.
No wonder. He gave this bead more relevance than he gave me.
My princess, I gain nothing saying this to you, but he has broken me already, and I won't stand and watch him break you too. I'm so sorry.
Thank you so much, Umasi. Leave now. I need to think.
Princess.
Ah!
Obina!
My princess!
How dare you? How dare you? So you see me as a stepping stone to climb?
My princess! My princess, please. She's a liar. Mercy is a liar. Whatever she told you is a lie. Please.
How did you know it was a Mercy? So you cherish the bead more than you cherish me?
No. My princess, Mercy is just a stupid maiden. She has been following me all around. She said that if she cannot have me, then no other maiden will have me. My princess.
I need to think.
That Mercy is just a wicked maiden. You have to believe me. Mercy. Mercy, you want to spoil everything for me? Okay, I know what to do.
Where is that thief?
Tonia, what did you steal this time? What? Child's wrapper? What do you want to do with this thing? And it is not even your size. Tonia, I've never seen a thief like you before. Your type is unique. Stealing things you do not need. And things you have. Tonia, that was Amobi chasing you. And things must be from his child. Just a child strapper. Ah. Ifoma, please, I beg you. I beg you, you're the only one who can help me now. I beg you, please. Please help me talk to Obieze, Princess Obieze. Please, help me talk to her. Please, if you have a way to convince her to give me the bid and take me back. Please.
Obina, you know that won't be easy. I'm just a maiden.
I know you're just a maiden, but she loves you. You know how you are. I don't even know what to say, but I know that you know how to do it. You know what to do. Please help me talk to her. Okay. See, if you talk to her and she gives me the bid, I become the king. I would have said I will marry you, but no. I'll make you the chief mate. I'll make you the chief mate. Even if you want us to have something, I can actually do that for you. Yes, all I want is for you to do it for me. Please.
Obina, I will try.
Oh, I don't like to hear you try.
What do you want me to say?
You will do it for me.
Obina, I said I will try.
You will do it for me.
Obina, please.
You will do it.
Obina.
Ifoma, how did it go? Did you talk to her?
I'm still trying my best.
Oh, Ifoma, trying is not allowed now. You need to talk to her. There's no time. Talk to her, please.
What would you have me do? Kill myself? I said I'm trying.
Ifoma, are you talking to me like this? Because I brought myself so low, your future king.
I'm sorry, my future king. What would you have me do? Kill myself? I said I'm trying. The princess is proving stubborn. I'm trying my best.
Talk to her now. Talk to her. You know how to do it.
I don't know how to.
Remember the promises I gave to you.
It's just because of the promises. So I don't do this type of things. Don't touch. Hold it. This way.
I'm going to the neighboring village for an errand. Oh, Biko, I want you to stay at home until I return. Biko, I don't want to go wandering and taking other people's things that does not belong to you. Funaya, you know the world is watching you. They are watching every of your action. If you continue giving in to these urges, one day it will not be words and scolding. It will be punishment, shame, and disgrace. And that is what I don't want for you. Biko, stay at home until I return. Do the chores in the house. Eat when you are hungry. Oh, anything you want, just wait until I return. I will give you anything you want. Biko, do not step your feet out of this house. Biko. Oh?
I promise I will not take what is not mine. And I will not leave the hut.
Okay. See, if when I come back and I see that you kept to your words, I will do anything you want me to do for you. Inugo? Biko, stay at home until I return. Biko. Oh?
Kwano.
Oh, thank you.
Zojo.
Mama said she kept it by the right-hand side of the back of the room. Is it Mama joking with me? Maybe she don't know the right-hand side. What's the meaning of this? Is she playing a fast one on me? What's all this now? What's the meaning of this? Ifeoma is going to receive it hot with me.
Funaya. Funaya. Where is this my beautiful thief? Does it mean she's not home?
Onya?
Funaya.
Prince, what are you doing here?
This one you are home. You did not go anywhere today.
I'm not going anywhere. My mother asked me not to leave the hut. She doesn't want any more troubles.
Funaya, I did not come here to look for your troubles. I came to show you how much I love you.
I mean, it's a pico, just...
Funaya, I brought you this.
Obieze, where did you... She brought this for me.
Yes.
This is beautiful. You're the only man to gift me in this whole village. Besides, you speak to me nicely than the others. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hugging me would be more better than thank you. The gods must be envious of me now.
You have to go before someone sees us. I'll see you when my mother returns.
You will see me?
Go.
You will see me?
Yeah, Ifeoma, why are you joking with me? Why are you joking with me? I told you to keep it at the bank of the river. I went there, I could not find it. I even had to search deeper, but it was not there.
Wait, what are you talking about? What are you...
I said I did not see it. I told you to keep it at the bank of the river.
You did not see what?
I did not see the bead.
Eh?
Yes.
You did not see the bead?
I did not see the bead.
Obina, you've killed me. You've killed me! What do you mean you did not see the bead? The same bead I dropped exactly where you asked me to drop it.
Yes. Did you drop it there?
I dropped it there. So where is the bead?
Where is the bead?
You're asking me.
Where is the bead?
Oh! Obina, you've killed...
Shh! Come on. You're already in the problem and you want to scream to make everybody come here?
The princess will kill me.
Come now.
Hey! Obina, excuse me.
Wait. Let me think. That means if you actually kept it there,
which I did,
and it's no longer there, meaning someone else must have taken it. Ah!
You're joking. It's a lie. Nobody else knew our plan. What do you mean someone else must have taken it?
Allow me to think.
What do you mean allow you to think?
Allow me to think!
Okay.
My friend, leave this place! Leave this place! Whoever holds that bead holds my destiny. And I am going to find him or her and take it back.
Nchedo! Ifeoma! My princess! Please come.
I'm looking for the royal bead.
It's with you, my princess.
It's not here.
My princess, I remember you gave it to Ifoma.
And I gave it to you back. You gave it to me.
Yes, my princess.
Why is it not here? Father! No.
What? You look worried.
The royal bead is missing.
What? What did you just say?
It's missing. I can't find it in my chambers.
What happened? How? How did it happen?
I don't even know.
Hey! Trouble. Trouble. If that royal bead gets missing, there is trouble. A very big mischief. This is treason. Guard! Fetch Carlo and the other guard. Tell him I said they should go for this royal bead. They should search for it everywhere. Search everywhere. Now go! Yes, my king. Wait. Now you listen to me. This search must be very quiet. No drum beats. No announcements. This search should be done like a green snake running under the green grass. Am I understood? Now you go.
ISO gele gele, ISO gele gele, ISO. Spirit of river, spirit of land, open the eyes of truth so that the unseen can be seen. Woman, you are the cause of your problem.
Mercy, what did I do? What did I do?
Many seasons ago, someone stole your food and replaced it with sand. You laid a curse on that person that he or she will continue to steal until the whole world call them thief.
You're right.
Unknowingly to you, you were laying curse on your own blood.
Do you mean I laid curse on my daughter?
You've heard it all, that the torment your daughter is going through is not born from your womb, but words spoken out of anger, which can pierce without mercy. But what is broken can be mended. Okay. You will go home, take sand and put it on that same plate. Reverse everything and every curse you've laid on her. Speak life on your daughter. Go quickly, for the spirits are listening. Okay.
Thank you.
Hey, Oromokbe, Oromoamogu.
Hold it there.
Nothing.
Greetings. Pardon. Turn! You can go. Up. Hold it there. Is that not the royal bead on your neck?
What royal bead are you talking about? I have nothing to do with royal.
Shut up, you thief! How dare you wear what only belongs to royalty? How dare you?
Okay, I might be a thief, but I did not steal this one. It was a gift. I can go show you who gave it to me.
You are going to come with us right now. Ofo,
I'm not a thief. I am not a thief.
Stop there.
Leave me alone. I did not steal it. I did not
Stop there.
Hey, I did not steal this one. I did not steal it. Help me. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. I did not steal it. I did not steal. Help me.
Let's go back.
Help me. Help me. Somebody help me. I did not steal. I said I did not.
Ogbonnaya. Ogbonnaya. Where did this girl go? Ogbonnaya. Ogbonnaya, you're at the back. Ogbonnaya. I told this girl not to go out today. Oh, she never listens. Eh? Great gods of our land, the day I cursed this child, I did not know I cursed my own blood. I was blinded with pain. I was foolish. Today, I take back my words. This sand that I cursed her with, let it return to the ground where it belongs. Let my daughter Ogbonnaya be free. Let this shadow depart from her. Great gods, let my daughter be free from the spirit of theft. Let her life no longer be like sand in a plate. Thank you, great gods.
Tell him from this today.
Come her. So cool. I can show you who gave me.
That sounds you right. You are saying the one killing in this village. Let's go hide you right.
Continue moving. Move. Stand up and move.
Who can they?
My daughter.
Who can they? They saw you on the mountain.
What is it? What is it? Speak.
It's Ogbonnaya, your daughter.
Ogbonnaya, my daughter. What happened?
She has been caught.
Caught?
They say she stole from the princess herself.
Hey.
As we speak now, they are stoning her to death at the village square. Hey.
Ogbonnaya, my daughter.
Ogbonnaya! Wait!
This will serve as a note of warning to everyone in this kingdom. The price for anyone who steals is death, and that she will get.
Yes.
Well, get them out of there.
Oh, please. I'm not sure. I want you, Mom. I want.
Woman, do you want to join your daughter in the death sentence?
Okoro, please. Okoro, see my daughter. My daughter is a thief, I know. But she does not lie. She does not lie. If she says she's innocent, she's innocent. Igwe Biko, she said she's innocent, she's innocent.
Have mercy.
Igwe Biko.
Igwe, please.
Igwe Biko.
Igwe, Biko, no.
Biko, no.
Please. Biko. Temper justice with mercy. Igwe, Biko, no. Igwe, Biko, no.
Woman, the price for stealing is death. And that is my judgment.
Please. Tomorrow,
this is what I said. Die.
She's dead. She's dead. I don't need this thing for me. Funaya, because no. Funaya,
Vultures do not hover around for nothing. It is either a meal has been killed or about to be killed. Doesn't more you speak in parables. My king, you have taken the life of an innocent maiden. The gods are angry.
She wore the royal bead she stole from my daughter. The law is clear.
The law is not the same as justice, King Udejimba. A child may wear a crown and still be innocent of the crimes leveled against her. Listen, my king. This land will see doom and the harvests will falter. The gods are angry and hungry. Command the princess's maids, as well as the two sons of the late Iguilo, Obinna and Arinze. They must come and stand where the sun can see them. Only then will the truth uncoil.
You ask much, Ezemwa, and I cannot be commanded by fear. Yes, she was found with the royal bead. So how else can you explain this?
You will listen and heed the words of the gods, my king. If you value your throne, obey, my king, and do what they have asked. Else, this kingdom will face a calamity so much that it will swallow everyone, including yourself.
Do as he said.
Yes, my king. The gods have seen through the shadows. Speak! One of you must tell the truth, or tell a lie and face the consequences of the gods. Speak! For the ground beneath you is thirsty for truth. Tell a lie and you will not live to see the dawn.
It was me. Sorry, it was me. The princess gave me the bead to hold, but I set it aside. I did not protect it the way I ought to. He forced me, he pressed me, he promised to give me his heart and everything. I'm sorry, my princess, I've betrayed you.
It's a lie, she lies. She lies. All I wanted is what was rightly mine. I just wanted the bead, the throne, and is it a crime to desire more than the dust my father left for me? I love you, princess.
You speak of love? What do you know about love? You only used me as a ladder to climb, and I am so disappointed in you.
Arinze, speak. What is your path in all of this?
I knew Obinna sought the bead. I saw him with his lies. I said nothing. I thought it's none of my business. But deep down within me, I wanted him to fall. But by my silence, the maiden died unjustly.
Enough! Enough of all this trash! Enough of all this rubbish! For your greed, your silence, your sins, the maiden's blood was shed on the earth of this kingdom. We shall not mock the gods. You, Obinna, son of Igwilo. You, Ifeoma, daughter of betrayal. For your sins, your silence, this abomination, you all shall be hanged. Until you have your last breath. And for you, Arinze, you decided to go deaf and dumb. You shall be banished forever from this kingdom. Guards! I have spoken. Please,
It's okay. Do not drown yourself in guilt. You're not a bad mother. What you did out of anger and ignorance. You didn't know it was our own hand that touched the food. And you spoke those words with anger. How could you know the gods will take it so? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Owako. I killed my child. I killed my child. What kind of mother? Laziness. For a womb she bore. No. I condemned her to death, Owako. I condemned her to death.
It's not your fault. You didn't care. She died because the wicked heart used that name in the clock. Funaya died because lies walk boldly in our kingdom. Please,
my tongue.
Do not heap upon yourself the blame that belongs to others.
My tongue, Owako, my tongue. My cursed tongue.
It's not your fault.
Sent Funaya to her grave.
It's not your fault.
Let it go strike me dead. Let it go strike me dead. Let it go strike me dead.
It's not your fault. You didn't know. Sorry.
Sorry.
Princess.
Sorry.
Please, I didn't come here as a princess. I came here as a woman who feels your pain. I know that there is no amount of sorry that will bring back your child. But I want you to know that I am with you. Please, take heart. Take heart.
Princess. They called her a thief.
She's not.
They stoned her to death.
I'm sorry.
No, I am bad. I am dead.
You're not. At least you have life, which is important.
Let it go strike me dead.
No,
I don't need this kind of life.
Please don't say that.
Don't say that,
Please.
okay? I'm here for you. Okay, it's not your mom.
Let it go strike me dead.
Thank you. This token. I promise you that the maids will always come here to assist you. Anytime. Please.
They won't be like my Funaya.
I know, but it's the
They will not be like my Funaya. They will not be like my Funaya.
I'm here for you. It's not your mom. Okay, what?
Please. I promise you that her name will no longer be dragged in the mud. Her story will be told to generations unborn. They will know that she died with a pure heart. I promise you, that should console you. Please. Please.
The cold hands of death have taken away my joy. All because of